everyone, welcome back to my channel Slice of Life with Simi. I'm very excited today to share with you that finally we're planning for a trip to Guwahati after a long time. Yes, it's been 1.5 years now and we kept on postponing the trip due to pandemic. But now there are a few important things to be taken care of in hometown, so finally planning for this trip. Now for this travel, we need to buy a few important things. It's summer out there in Guwahati and unlike Bangalore, it's very humid. So planning to buy some clothes for summer. I tried to buy most of the things online, but we plan to visit Trends to buy a few apparels for my kid and also a few gift items. I also got a few stuff from Nykaa and Amazon online. We'll share with you that as well. So let's start today's vlog and let's start shopping. In this video, I have also shared how I got a lot of free gifts. So do watch the video till the end. It was around 7 in the evening that we reached Trends. So now we are just about to enter Trends. And as a part of following COVID protocol, we sanitized our hands from time to time. We selected Trends because we had shopped from here before as well for my kid and for myself. And I love the collection in this particular shop. So in Trends, you get here men's, women and kids apparels and accessories. And there are lots of trendy designs. You can check it out too. And trust me, this is not a sponsored video. As I said earlier, it's summer in Guwahati and quite humid. So we have selected quite a few outfits for my kid, which is light and comfortable to wear for her. Inaya was also very excited to select a few dresses for herself and also to share with you that this is the first time we have come to a shop with Inaya during the COVID situation. We usually prefer online shopping at this time. So now we are almost done with the shopping and we are heading towards the billing counter where we have a surprise for us. Due to the puja times, Trends was offering free gifts if you shop above a certain range. So we got goods worth rupees 8,500 and got this free gift, which is the Cabell Electro Tower Fan worth rupees 4,250 rupees. You can see some other items also in display which they have kept as free gifts for the customers if they buy above rupees 3,000 onwards. So the Electro Tower Fan, which we got as a gift, comes with a powerful motor, multi-way air direction and lower power consumption. Also it comes up with 1-year warranty. I am planning to put this in our terrace during summer if there is any get-together or party during the evening time. And now we are all set to go and there is Inaya standing near the door waiting for us. After reaching home, we kept the stuffs in quarantine for a couple of days. Like many of y'all, we continue to follow this important protocol. Now moving to the Nykaa products, I had shown you in one of my shorts video about Nykaa online shopping and the free gifts which I received from Nykaa. So here is the offer which I got. Actually, I had to buy a face moisturizer, a face wash and a sunscreen for me. And I heard very good reviews of Clinique products. So just open Nykaa app and there it is. I got a combo offer, okay, for 3 items together. Like the moisturizer, the face wash and the sunscreen, which came at around 3,250 rupees. Actually it is 3,650, but since I shop for the first time, I got a good discount. Not only I got a good discount, I also got some amazing Clinique products, all free of cost from Nykaa. The first free product which I got is this cute and colorful little pouch. So I got a mascara, a face moisturizer and an eye cream, all Clinique products. And I'm super excited about this, and trust me, this is also not a sponsored video. For the travel, I got a few face shields for us and also my kid as we are traveling via air. The cost for 2 face shields for adults is Rs 96, which I think is quite decent. For my kid, I got this one, which is the junior face shields. This cost Rs 625 and 3 shields comes together. The quality of these are soft and good, but guess it would get spoiled just after one day of use. Now that most of the shopping is done, it's time to pack the luggage. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now and see you soon in my next video.